Florida has the dubious distinction of being among the worst, if not the worst, state in the nation right now. 1 in 5 new COVID cases is in Florida. Saturday, Florida recorded more than 21,000 new cases. That's the most ever. Sunday, Florida recorded more than 10,000 hospitalizations. That's the most ever. As of today, Florida has the most hospitalizations per capita for adults and children in the United States. Let's break things down by county. CBS 4's Carly Barnett begins with Broward. Carly?
Well, Lauren, Elliott, some people who are really concerned about this are teachers. Schools starting in just a matter of a few weeks at this point. And with this really abrupt spike, we spoke to the head of the Broward Teachers Union, Anna Fusco, and she says she thinks it should be up to our own district and our own county to decide what policies and procedures would work best. COVID cases are climbing in Broward. Mills Pond Park saw long lines at their testing site, reminiscent to what we witnessed in the early days of the pandemic. With school classrooms opening to full capacity in about 2 weeks, some teachers are concerned.
The numbers are higher than when we closed schools last year on March 13th. So it's mind-blowing.
Just last week, Broward schools voted to have masks required in schools. But shortly after, Governor Ron DeSantis made an executive order to prevent any mask mandates. Otherwise, he threatened the state could withhold funding from that school district.
This isn't something that's there to harm. This is something there to help. And why our governor is putting it to a narrative out there that it's a negative and having people feed into it is very disheartening.
Broward School says they will follow the governor's order and masks will not be required. According to the CDC, Broward County currently has a 17.25% positivity rate, cases up by 50% in 7 days.
Dade and Broward County lead the nation in new hospitalizations.
Broward Health system-wide was at 247 patients Monday. That's 141 more COVID patients from last week. And children are among those impacted. 7 children are in the hospital at Joe DiMaggio. That's according to the mayor. 2 are in the ICU as of July 29th.
The number had increased from 36 in June to 190 children going to the emergency room for COVID.
Fusco says she wished the Broward School Board would challenge the governor's order and believes with this recent spike, more precautions are better.
It's for safety, just like when they wear their ID badges, when they wear proper uniforms, when they're not exposing, inappropriate clothes. There's different reasons why you put in mandates and protocols and procedures.
Well, to deal with all of that volume, Broward County is opening 3 new test sites next week. They will be at Tradewinds Park, Markham Park, and C.B. Smith Park. Live in Tamarack, Carly Barnett, CBS 4 News Tonight.